let's solve this indicial equation without substitution. We are having a 5 raised power x plus 2 open bracket 5 raised power x equals to 75. And we are asked to find the value of x. So, our normal way of doing it is to just substitute for 5 raised power x. Maybe we can say let y equals to 5 raised to the power of x. And when we are done getting our value at the end of the process or along the way, we can now substitute back the value we are having for y to 5 raised power x, then find the index of the value, then we now get the value of x. But in this case, we can actually solve this directly without any form of substitution. So let's see how it works. Just look at this 5 raised power of x like a single variable. If we have to consider it like a single variable, we are having 1 5 raised power of x plus 2 5 raised power of x equal to 75. So by the time we add what we are having at the LHS, we are having 3, we should be having 3 5 raised power of x. That is 1 plus 2. Or you can also decide to factorize it out, then add what you're having in the bracket to still give you 3. Then what next is that we divide both sides by 3. 75 divided by 3, we should have 25. Solution here is that 5 raised power of x is equal to 25. So we can't stop at this point. We need to find the value of x by putting 25 in index form. 25 can be simplified by saying 5 raised to the power of 2. And 5 raised to the power of 2 gives us 25. Then if you look at the bases are the same. So since the bases are the same, we can actually equate the power, or we can say that the bases cancel each other, so that we can now have x to be equivalent to 2. And that gives us the value we're looking for. If we want to check whether this answer is correct or not, we substitute the value of 2 back into this equation that we are given initially to check. Let's check and see how it works. Let's just say 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 open bracket 5 raised to the power of 2. We are looking at the LHX to see whether it will give us what we are having at the RHX. So for the LHS now, we have 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 open bracket 5 close bracket raised to the power of 2. So 5 raised to the power of 2 will give us 25. Then plus 2 open bracket 5 raised to the power of 2 will also give us 25. That is 25 plus 2 multiplied by 25. That will give us 25 plus 50. And 25 plus 50, it will give us 75. So you can now see that the LHX is equivalent to RHX. So that means the value of x we got here is pretty much correct.